Hi everyone, this is Grammar, and today's topic is these 5 idiomatic expressions. Okay, let's start with the first one. Let's call it a day. This means let's stop working, we're done. So let's imagine you're at the office and you're going to finish work and you tell maybe your coworkers, hey, let's call it a day. We're done for today. The next one, get out of here. We use this expression when we want to tell someone that we don't believe them. So let's imagine that John says something like, guess what? I won the lottery last night. And you say, oh, come on, get out of here. I don't believe you. The next one, you're pulling my leg, is very similar to this one. You're pulling my leg is basically like saying, you're kidding. Okay? So again, if I don't believe someone, I would tell them, you're pulling my leg. The next one, it costs an arm and a leg. This means that something is very expensive. Let's imagine you're going to buy a new car, a new computer, a bicycle, and you think it's very expensive. So you would say, it costs an arm and a leg. The last one, like pulling teeth, is an expression that we use when we want to say that something is difficult and frustrating. So for example, let's say, Tammy never hands her reports in on time. Getting Tammy to hand them in is like pulling teeth. Okay? So let's get out there. Let's use these expressions. These are very common. Okay? And so these 5 expressions are easy peasy, super breezy.